So this Fly More combo by Mavic Air 2 from DJI box comes a little bigger than the basic. This one has a few extra surprises inside and they're really helpful. The 3 intelligent fly batteries is gonna give you extra enjoyable time during your flights. So you get to have extra 6 pairs of propellers as well with the ND filter set, which is I'm really excited to try. Most of your shootings is going to be during the daytimes, and the ND filters is amazingly effective against the sunlights. Then last but not least, you're going to have this leather shoulder bag, which is helpful to protect your equipment. So those are pretty much the differences between both packages. So for extra $200, you're gonna get all of those accessories. I mean, why not? It's worth the deal. Let's see what's inside the bag. All the boxes, accessories, batteries, wires. Actually, those wires connect to whichever smartphone you have. Either you are an Android or an iPhone user. You have to connect to the DJI app to the remote control so you can control your drone. And this is the extra propellers and the manual. You know exactly what to do with it. You just throw it away. So you start by unfolding the arms and taking off the protection so you can place your propellers. There is 2 colors for propellers. There's the white ones that has this white circle. It goes on the white base, as you can see on there. And then the other 2, it's the black ones. As you can see, the base is black and the circle is black, has no color at all. So don't miss those 2. It will not fit anyways, but I believe it's there for a reason, which I don't know. And then you take off every sticker you see, and there's a lot of them. After you're done, take off this gimbal protector and make sure you keep it. You don't throw this one away. You're gonna use it when you put the drone back in your bag or you move. This is going to protect your most important part of your drone, which is the camera. And this is really sensitive, as you can see. Those are safety sensors on the back and on the front and below the craft, but however it does not have any safety sensors on the top, which is awkward because what if you flew into an object upwards? So you have to be careful with that. Putting the sticks now to the remote control, they come below under. Screw them in whenever you use it, but if you ever done flying, you put them back in. You don't want them to break during moving. And then yeah, screw both. And then this is where you put your phone, right here. There's a wire on there, which is where you're gonna control or connect your phone from. I believe this comes half a charge, yeah. But however, you're gonna put everything together on the charge. Now this process will take a few hours to fully charge your equipment, your batteries, and your remote control. Make sure you install the DJI Fly app before going out for your first flight, which I will be taking you into detailed steps into the next episode. Thank you for watching. See you next time.